Welcome to Smart Light Dimwit. Episode 10, LaMetric SKY. But first, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Now let's go. If you've watched this channel, you've heard me talk about LaMetric SKY on multiple occasions. Announced in 2019, LaMetric SKY was to be the follow-up to the immensely popular LaMetric Time. Unfortunately, the COVID pandemic landed squarely in our laps instead, delaying SKY's development more than once. But brothers and sisters, you can call me Chicken Little because the sky has dropped, and Lord Almighty, she is a sight to behold.
I've been looking forward to this day since 2019. Package just arrived. Inside we have LaMetric SKY. Now I ordered an 8-pack, so it looks like you get a starter kit of 2 pieces, and then I've got 3 extensions. Let's do it. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Oh man. Slots up, we've got quick start guide, legal information, power cord, some command strips, and some mystery pieces here, which I assume are, I don't know what they are. To actually hold this tile is amazing. She blows. So I'll show this for later in the video, but I believe this piece actually detaches for mounting purposes. But we'll go through that. It certainly looks sleek. I like the kind of matte finish on the outside there. So the full square is about the size of a LaMetric tile. I've never had one of those. Full square, fully assembled. Of course, the cool thing about LaMetric SKY is you can attach them like that if you wanted to, just right at the corners, right at the tips. We'll get to that. Fresh off the factory floor. There's what opening expansion pack looks like. Command strips. Now we got these connectors. And additional tiles. So if assembled as an informational screen, you'd be looking at something like that. Instructions, possible some layout potential possibles. You can see them connecting at the tip. So after plugging the tiles in, I've got the green light, confirmation that they're receiving power. And I'm turning off the light because this is going to be the first plug-in of 2 tiles, so this will be the first power test. Hopefully this goes according to plan. Pretty. I don't know if you can adequately see that, but it's real good looking colors. Yeah, this is going to be really beautiful. Wow. They did a real nice job with these. Alright, I managed to get it set up and the app connected and everything. However, I got the layout wrong because it's being a little tricky. So far the connecting and setup has been a little tricky, but still looks very good. This is summer, there's autumn, and winter. The only thing that would cause a problem is when I try to run informational screen, it would all be messed up. You can see the rain should all be falling one direction. It's obviously not correct. At this point in the setup, I kept getting distracted by how beautiful the light panels are. So I highly recommend that you don't start playing with effects until you've actually finished setting up your lights. this thing are just freaking gorgeous.
Now, I chose to build an informational screen, but both the app and the website has this feature where you can input the amount of surfaces you have, and it will show you all the available patterns that you can build. It shows you how to complete them, and it also has a section where you can view effects on those panels, or how those effects will appear on your panels. I would have liked to see something similar to Nanoleaf's layout assistant using augmented reality to project these tanagrams on your walls. That would have been a great deal of help in deciding which pattern was right for me. I don't know how we pulled it off, but I think we pulled it off. Got it on the wall. I believe it's all configured correctly. Let's take a look at some effects. Check one and see if it's set up correctly. Let's check rain. Alright. So in review, while the instructions could be clearer in some places, as long as you follow the build directions for whichever shape you're trying to make, setup as a whole is not too difficult. I would definitely urge anybody to truly sit and ponder which design they're going to build, because once attached to the wall with 3 command strips per panel, you'll probably end up sticking with that design for a good long while. LaMetric Sky panels are very vibrant and beautiful. The colors they give off are rich and deep, and there are a large number of effects, each with their own settings that results in thousands of possibilities. Sky reminds me of a mad scientist who gene spliced a nanoleaf panel with a twinkly square, and the result is greater than the sum of its parts. The patchwork quilt choices alone could keep you busy for days. Not to mention the LaMetric App Store, which offers you 100 different apps, from displaying the phase of the moon to the amount of YouTube subscribers you have, or displaying the news. And yes, it's also a clock. In short, these are the most beautiful panels on the market, if you can get your hands on them. This has been Smart Like Dimwit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about LaMetric Sky, fire off down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, peace and illumination.